we're out driving around here in Old Port during this blizzard of all blizzards here in 2015. As you can see, the driving isn't particularly good right now. The visibility is almost nil. There's nobody out here except for me and the other snowplows. And I just wanted to take a spin around town just to show everybody just how bad this storm really is right now. Everyone out there who's saying you should stay home and not be on the roads, they are absolutely correct. Why I'm out here, I don't know. But there are very few times, even in the winter, where you see Portland just so deserted, so devoid of any people, any traffic, any activity. But it seems to me that the city workers are doing a great job, trying to keep these roads as clear as they possibly can. But the snow is falling so hard right now and so fast and furious that as soon as they clear a road like Spring Street or Center Street or what have you, it just fills right up again. It's really amazing just how fast the snow is really coming down. See, just about everything is closed today. Post office, the city hall, businesses. There's just nothing going on. I've got these two guys walking in the street. I don't even know if they can see me, but they really should try to stay off the street. You can tell when the wind picks up, you just can't see anything. It's just almost impossible to see anything in front of you. Just be safe, everybody.